You know how you know the US is cooked? This is the most armed country in the history of the world. We've got that Second Amendment to protect against tyranny or whatever, right? We've got active concentration camps, daily videos of people being snatched off the streets by fascists wearing masks who are stealing money from our disaster preparedness programs to do their fascism. And you know what people are doing with the Second Amendment? They're still just shooting fucking grade school kids. Yeah, that's what we do in America. We don't storm facilities like Alligator Alcatraz. We storm grade schools.